Hi everyone. Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we'll be talking about the top 5 best portable AC window vent kit that you can find on Amazon. Whether you're searching for specific benefit, this video has you covered. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future content. I've carefully selected these products based on detailed research and personal experience, ranking them by their performance, features, and price. You can find all the links to these products in the description below for more details and updated pricing. Did you know a poorly sealed AC window vent can leak up to 30% of cool air? That's wasted energy and money. Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're revealing the top 5 best portable AC window vent kits that actually seal the deal. Say goodbye to sweaty nights and hello to crisp comfort. Check out the links in the description to grab yours. Your perfect cool zone is just a click away. Let's jump in. Let's not waste time and jump straight into the best picks for top 5 best portable AC window vent kit. At number 5 is JENCEAILL AC Window Vent. Ever struggled with ill-fitting AC window vent kits that compromise your cooling efficiency? The JENCEAILL AC Window Vent Kit offers a solution designed for versatility and ease. Compatible with both vertical and horizontal sliding windows, this kit includes 4 16.9-inch seal plates, a 59-inch exhaust hose, and a 5.9-inch diameter coupler, ensuring a snug fit for most setups. Installation is straightforward. Simply embed the seal panel into your window track, clamp it, and apply the included 16-foot sealing tape to enhance insulation. This meticulous design effectively prevents hot air from entering your space, optimizing your air conditioner's performance and energy efficiency. Constructed from durable PVC and ABS materials, the kit promises longevity, standing up to regular use without deterioration. However, it's crucial to verify compatibility with your specific window and AC model before purchasing to avoid any mismatches. Priced at $29.99, the JENCEAILL kit presents a cost-effective and practical solution for maintaining a cool, comfortable environment during those sweltering months. At number 4 is Kerykwan Ducting Universal AC. Imagine a scorching summer day where your air conditioner struggles to keep your room cool due to poor ventilation. The Kerykwan Ducting Universal AC Window Vent Kit offers a practical solution to this common problem. Designed for compatibility with most portable air conditioners featuring a 5.9-inch diameter exhaust hose, this kit ensures a snug fit for both vertical and horizontal sliding windows and doors. Its adjustable length, ranging from 16.9 to 62.1 inches, provides flexibility for various window sizes. Constructed from high-quality PVC and ABS materials, the kit promises durability and longevity. Users have praised its straightforward installation process and the enhanced sealing effect achieved with the included weather stripping, which effectively prevents hot air from entering and cool air from escaping. This efficient sealing not only maintains a comfortable indoor environment but also contributes to energy savings. Priced at $29.99, the Kerykwan kit offers excellent value for those seeking to optimize their air conditioning setup. However, it's essential to ensure compatibility with your specific air conditioner model before purchasing to avoid any fitting issues. At number 3 is Luckln Portable Air Conditioner. Imagine a scorching summer day, and your air conditioner struggles to keep up, leaving you sweltering. Enter the Luckln Portable Air Conditioner Window Vent Kit, a game changer for those seeking efficient cooling solutions. Designed to fit both 5.1-inch and 5.9 diameter portable AC exhaust hoses, this vent kit ensures warm air is expelled effectively, maintaining a comfortable indoor climate and boosting energy efficiency by minimizing heat loss. Its adjustable length, ranging from 16.9-inch to 59.1, offers versatility to fit various window sizes, making it a universal solution for many setups. Constructed from durable PP and ABS materials, this kit is built to withstand wear, aging, and extreme weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. Priced at $29.99, the Luckln Portable Air Conditioner Window Vent Kit is an affordable and practical addition to your cooling system, enhancing the efficiency of your portable air conditioner and ensuring a cooler, more comfortable living space. At number 2 is ANGELEXIOUS Adjustable 80-inch. Ever struggled with ill-fitting AC window kits that let in hot air and pests? The ANGELEXIOUS Adjustable 80-inch Portable AC Window Vent Kit is here to solve those problems. This comprehensive kit includes 4 17-inch seal plates, a 5.9-inch diameter exhaust hose, and a window filter screen, ensuring a snug fit for both vertical and horizontal windows. Crafted from durable PP and ABS materials, the hose is reinforced with steel wire for longevity. An added insect protection net keeps unwanted guests out, enhancing your indoor comfort. The adjustable design, extending up to 80 inches, allows for a tight seal, reducing energy loss and boosting cooling efficiency. Priced at $29.99, this kit offers excellent value for those seeking to optimize their portable air conditioner's performance. Now moving to the last one is Kxuhivc AC Unit Universal. Ever struggled with ill-fitting portable AC window kits that compromise your room's cooling efficiency? The Kxuhivc AC Unit Universal addresses this common issue with its versatile and user-friendly design. This kit boasts an anti-clockwise threaded exhaust hose, measuring 5.9 inches in diameter, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of portable air conditioners. The adjustable window seal spans from 16.9 to 62.1 inches, accommodating both horizontal and vertical sliding windows, a feature that stands out among top air conditioner through-wall solutions. Installation is straightforward. Simply embed the seal panel into the window track, clamp it, and apply the provided weather stripping to enhance sealing. This meticulous design prevents hot air intrusion, optimizing your AC's performance and energy efficiency. Constructed from high-quality PVC and ABS materials, the kit promises durability and longevity. Priced at $29.99, the Kxuhivc kit offers an affordable solution to maximize your portable AC's effectiveness, ensuring a cooler, more comfortable living space. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.